Let's go over again maybe just the first 1, 2, 3 steps. This concept that Marcel was talking about with it being more spherical and that we're kind of turning around each other. For the followers, it's very unique to be on one foot more often than the leaders, right? So in this first element, the leader brings his weight together on both feet so that he can change weight. And for the followers, it's the opposite, right? I'm being asked to shift my weight onto my right leg, and I'm staying there until I take the next step, right? Which is the pivot. So maybe we can show one more time.
Let's do it in this way. A concept that you can keep in mind, the couple is very stable because when we stop, it's a tripod. The leader puts his weight on both feet and the follower in one. And the tripod is already stable. So in this way we are stable but still ready to move because the follower has 1 foot free of weight. Here, my weight is on both feet. Mimi's weight only on her right foot. And you can test that, leaders. Do this. We saw this idea. We call it voleo. You can add that as a transition into the ocho. And here too, I am on both feet and my partner only in one. Same for the follower. The only difference for the leader, now instead of my left, in this case I will step with my right and her left. So we go to tango cross. And one more time. That's a nice element you can add to vary, not to go so square, let's say. You can do 1, 2, 3, enjoy the moment, then go into the next one. Okay, so more like in music it's called rubato. You don't go at every beat, you kind of delay your movement and move later. That's very, very good in tango. Tango music has that a lot.